Hello and good morning. Today I'm going to talk to you about the trolley cleaning in ANTT procedure. Trolley cleaning is mandatory in some of the OSCEs, but it is not mandatory in some other OSCEs. That differ from country to country. For example, this trolley cleaning is being performed as part of OSCE scenarios in Ireland, in UK, in Australia, and as well as in New Zealand. But some stations in some countries, they will examiner will talk to you. You presume that trolley is clean and then you proceed it. But you should know how they are going to do it, because examiner will say sometimes they will ask you to do the trolley cleaning. You should be able to do the trolley cleaning. So today I'm going to talk to you about trolley cleaning, and the other side is use of PPE kit. In Australia as well as in New Zealand, they are not using any PPE kit. They are just using your hands for wiping. Okay, but in case of UK and Ireland, they are using the PPE kit. So it depends upon the countries. The scenarios will vary. Okay, but I'm going to talk to you about the basics of the trolley cleaning. So trolley is basically two parts. The towel part is there, and the other one is the upper part. The top part is there and the lower part is there. So what is going to happen is this is the arch portion, and this is the road over here, and this is the arch portion, but that is not available in your country. If you just go through the trolley over here, this is the trolley, and there is a top portion and lower portion will be there, but these things are not happening in your country. So here there is a small road like structure will be there. These are the four corners over here, and the lower part will be here. So now what you have to do is you have to prompt to the examiner, I'm going to clean the trolley from farthest to the nearest, top to bottom, in a zigzag manner. That's the way you are going to clean the trolley. That's the principle of a trolley cleaning. Now what is going to happen is you have to use a clean wipe in UK scenario, and also the alcohol wipe in the Irish scenario, and also in the Australian as well as New Zealand scenario, alcohol wipes are being used. Okay, and now I have an alcohol wipe over here. So I have to hold the alcohol wipe like this way, and then you have to stop the trolley from moving around, because it's going to walk around if the wheel is not in control. So now your job is you have to stop that one is happening. Ideally, you can go for the stopper over there, but usually I will not prefer my students to do that, because sometimes the stoppers are stuck. If you are going to stop it, or if you are using your stopper, sometimes you can't take it out. It should be a panic situation. So better to go for a control over here. You just hold on here, so you have a control over here. Okay, and then they presume that this is not there. Okay, these areas are not there. You start from the farthest corner. I'm going to clean from farthest corner from top to bottom. Okay, and from the other corner from top to bottom, the nearest corner from top to bottom, and the other corner from top to bottom. Then turn around, you leave it over here, and I'm going to wipe from farthest to nearest in a zigzag manner. So this is the way you are going to clean the trolley. And coming down to the other side, you just come over here, and then it's going to come out like this way. So this is the way you are going to clean the trolley. Okay, then once the cleaning is done on the top portion, what you have to do is you don't touch over here, because it's considered as a sterile one. You can the alcohol wipe is going to the bin. Coming down to the lower portion, you just sit over here like this way, hold on here. So this is the place you are going to hold on. Now your job is you have to clean the farthest corner from top to bottom. Okay, and these roads will not be there, and the other side is from farthest to top to bottom, and this one is from top to bottom, and this one is from top to bottom. Turn around. So this is the way you are going to turn around. Then you are going to wipe the lowest portion from in a zigzag manner. Okay, so that's going to happen over here. And now you coming over here, and then you come over here and bring it down. You can use another one or with the same one to wipe the lower portion of the corners as well. So this is the way. Then you turn around further, turn around further, turn around further, turn around further. You come to the front portion. Okay, now what you are going to do is you are going to throw it into the bin. This one is going to the bin. The other side is you take out your apron and glove, and you just prompt, I have finished my trolley cleaning. I'm waiting for 30 seconds to dry. So that's why you have finished your trolley cleaning. So this is the way you are going to do the trolley cleaning. I presume you have an understanding of how you are going to do the trolley cleaning. Thank you very much for your patient watching.